Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Style Wows. I am Megha. So festivals are around the corner and I thought of creating this simple, easy and practical makeup look which is very much appropriate for all Indian skin tones. You can wear this makeup look for any festival like Navratri, Diwali, Karwa Chauth. It's very practical, very much appropriate to be worn even if you are not going anywhere and you're just staying home and enjoying the festival. So if you want to know that how you can get this look, then please keep on watching. So I'm starting off with using this lotion from Forest Essential. It really moisturizes my face deeply, and a good moisturizer is the key to get a nice flawless base for your makeup. So make sure you're using a moisturizer that's highly hydrating and nourishing. And for the foundation, I'm going in and using my Huda Beauty Faux Filter foundation. It's a full coverage foundation, guys, so it's gonna cover almost all the flaws on my skin. You see, I'm using this fluffy brush to blend my foundation really well and make sure you don't get any harsh lines. So I'm going in and pressing this dampened makeup sponge on my face so that the product gets really absorbed very well on my skin. For contouring, I'm using this sugar contour stick, and you see I'm literally dotting and making sure that I don't end up using a lot of product, because guys, I swear this product is so pigmented and really gives nice definition to my face. A little product goes a long way. You see, I'm using everywhere with the dotted motion. I'm not literally strobing it all over my face, and then with the help of a dome shaped brush I am blending my contour really well. Make sure you blend it really well because you don't want a harsh line on your face. So once I'm done with blending this cream contour, I'm using this cream blush. You can use any cream blush. So this one's also from a local store. I picked it up while I was traveling abroad, and this is very cheap but gives you a very nice pigmented look on your face. You see I'm going on and blending really well because after applying I realized that it's really very dark and gives you a nice pigmented look for your face. Now I'm using this bronzing powder which is from H&M, and I'm applying it where I have applied the contour cream which was from Sugar. So everywhere onto the hollows of my cheek, on the sides of my nose, to give my nose a little bit of definition and a sleek look, and also on my jawline. Now for powdering my blush, I'm using this L'Oreal True Match blush, and it's a nice coral blush and very much festive appropriate. So for the rest of my face, I'm using this loose powder from Maybelline. So since I have used a full coverage foundation for my face, I did not go with any concealer under my eyes because I really did not wanted my concealer to crease, and moreover I thought that my under eye dark circles are not very much visible. So using this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, I'm applying this only over my eyelids so that my eyeshadow pops out literally. Anyways, you can apply concealer if you want to under your eyes as well, but here I did not apply, I just skipped the step. Now using this Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette which is in the shade Velvet Rose, I'm using this nice light brown earthy tone color for my creases, and I'm going in back and forth and really giving a nice blended and diffused look for my eyes. You know, like these earthy toned color suits almost all Indian skin tones. And now using this darker brown shade, I'm gonna define the outer V of my eyes. So I'm just giving a nice definition and a much more depth for my eyes by defining the outer V. So you see I'm going back and forth with this color very precisely. I'm not moving the color here and there, just for the outer V. And then I'm using this golden shade. It's a very pretty nice golden shade. I'm going in with my fingers and applying this all over my eyelids. It's on you how intense you need your color, and you can work with the gold shade as much as you want to. And using the same flat brush, just blending the color with the outer brown brown shade that I've applied on the outer V, and the same two shades I'm mixing it and applying it on my lower lash line. And for the eyeliner, I'm using this Color Bar liquid liner. So you see, I'm not giving a very dramatic look. I'm applying just a thin liner over my eyes, flicking a little bit out for that extra drama, but not creating a proper wing, because obviously you don't get time to create proper wing during the festivities. For my mascara, I'm using this from the Kiko Milano. This is my favorite mascara because it gives a nice volume to my lashes. So I'm applying both on my upper and the lower lash line. Now for the lower lash line, I'm not using a black or a brown color to line my lower lash line. So I'm going it by using this Glamour stick, which is from Nykaa, and this will give a nice opened up look for my eyes, you see. Using this Genius Brow Kit, which is from L'Oreal, I am defining my eyebrows. So I'm going in with a very short strokes, filling my eyebrow gaps. So once this is done, I am using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This is a nice golden highlighter which is so much appropriate for the festivals. I am literally strobing on my face or my cheekbones. Also, I'm using the same highlighter for highlighting my brow bones, and also I'll use the same highlighter to for the inner corners of my eyes. You see, instantly my eyes looks much more opened up with this pop of goldeny shade on the inner corner. Now for my lips, I'm using a nice orangish bold red lipstick which is from Sugar in the shade Tangerine Queen. And this lipstick is dope, literally dope for the festivities. And once you see I have applied the lipstick, this is the finished look. Adding a more traditional touch to my makeup, I have applied this green bindi, which instantly changed my makeup look, giving it a more festive and a more traditional, or let's say more of a Bahurani look, which I really wanted. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also guys, subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Till next time, take care.